Welcome back to Miss English, the podcast that teaches you real, natural English for everyday life. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Today we are talking about artificial intelligence AI, one of the most exciting and talked about topics in the world right now.
AI is everywhere, in our phones, our homes, our workplaces, and even in the way we learn English. Knowing how to talk about AI in English is becoming more and more important.
By the end of this episode, you will know how to talk about AI, describe how it works, discuss its uses in everyday life, and share your opinions about the future of AI.
Whether you are a complete beginner with technology or already use AI tools every day, this episode is for you. Let's dive in.
Sarah, let's start with the basics. How would you explain AI to someone who has never heard of it?
Great question. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means machines, usually computers, that can do things we normally think only humans can do. Things like understanding language, recognizing faces, or making decisions.
One key idea in AI is machine learning. This is when a computer learns from data, from huge amounts of information, without being specifically programmed for every task. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes.
And the instructions that tell a computer what to do are called an algorithm. An algorithm is basically a set of rules or steps the computer follows to solve a problem or make a decision.
You have probably heard of chatbots. A chatbot is an AI program that can have a conversation with you, like a computer you can chat with. Many websites use chatbots for customer service. And tools like ChatGPT are very well-known AI chatbots.
Another important word is automation. This is when machines or AI do tasks automatically, without a human needing to do them. For example, a factory robot that builds cars, or software that automatically sorts your emails.
And a prompt is the instruction or question you type into an AI tool to get a response. For example, when you type a question into an AI chatbot, that question is your prompt. The AI then generates an answer based on your prompt.
Now let's focus on some important AI vocabulary. These words will help you understand and talk about AI confidently in English.
The word generate means to create or produce something. AI tools can generate text, images, music, and even videos. For example, I asked the AI to generate a short story about a robot and it was amazing.
A neural network is the technology behind many modern AI systems. It is designed to work a little like the human brain, with many connected layers that process information together. Neural networks help AI recognize patterns, such as faces and photos.
Deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning that uses very large neural networks. It is the technology behind many impressive AI achievements, like computers that can translate languages in real time.
Voice assistants, like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, are AI tools you can speak to. They use AI to understand your voice and respond. For example, I asked my voice assistant to set a reminder, and it did it instantly.
Facial recognition is the technology that lets a computer identify a person by their face. You probably use it every day. Many smartphones use facial recognition to unlock the screen.
The word bias in AI refers to unfair results that come from problems in the data the AI was trained on. For example, if an AI is trained mostly on data from one group of people, it might not work as well for everyone else. This is a very important issue in AI ethics.
And sometimes AI systems make mistakes. They produce information that sounds confident but is completely wrong. This is called a hallucination. For example, the AI hallucinated a fake news article and presented it as fact. Always check AI-generated information.
So, Alex, how do you use AI in your everyday life?
Honestly, more than I realize. My phone uses AI to suggest words when I type, to recognize faces in photos, and to filter spam from my email. AI is in so many small things we take for granted.
That is so true. When you watch something on Netflix or YouTube, AI is working behind the scenes to personalize your recommendations. It looks at what you have watched before and suggests things you might enjoy.
And when you shop online, AI gives you recommendations based on what you have bought before. For example, customers who bought this also bought, that is AI working with your data to suggest products.
AI is also transforming the way we work. Many professionals use AI tools to help them write, translate, summarize, or analyze information. This can save huge amounts of time and boost productivity.
One thing I find fascinating is AI in healthcare. AI can now analyze medical scans to help doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately. It is not replacing doctors, it is working alongside them to improve patient care.
And in education, AI is being used to create personalized learning experiences. An AI tutor can adapt to your level and pace, give you instant feedback, and focus on the areas where you need the most practice.
Let's talk about the future of AI. This is where opinions really differ. Sarah, what do you think? Is AI good or bad for society?
I think it is both. AI has incredible potential to solve problems in medicine, climate science, and education. But there are real risks too, and we need to talk about them honestly.
One of the biggest concerns is jobs. Many people worry that AI and automation will replace jobs, that machines will do tasks currently done by humans. For example, in manufacturing, transport, and even some office roles.
But many experts believe AI will augment human work rather than replace it. Augment means to add to or enhance something. So AI makes us more capable, not unnecessary. For example, a doctor using AI tools can see more patients and make better diagnoses.
There is also the question of ethical AI. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to make sure it is used in a way that is fair, safe, and transparent. For example, who is responsible if an AI system makes a harmful decision?
Self-driving cars are another fascinating example of AI in the future. These are vehicles that can drive themselves using AI, cameras, and sensors, without a human driver. Some companies are already testing them on real roads.
And creative AI is growing fast. AI can now write poems, paint pictures, compose music, and generate videos. This raises interesting questions about creativity and what it means to be human.
Whatever the future holds, one thing is clear: AI is not going